looking. There comes a breaking point in every man's journey when something inside him just snaps. No more games. No more begging for scraps of attention. No more bending over backwards for someone who wouldn't cross the street for him. And here's what nobody warns you about. The exact moment you truly let go, she feels the shift in her soul even if she'll never say it to your face. So buckle up, because I'm about to walk you through the psychological storm that hits a woman's mind the second you stop investing energy into her, whether she was your girl, a situationship, or that friend-zone queen who kept you orbiting. Trust me, what I'm about to reveal will change how you see relationships forever. Listen closely. The instant you go silent, her world tilts. I'm talking about that very first moment when your name stops popping up on her phone. When her notifications go quiet. When she realizes you're not checking in anymore. Something in her brain triggers immediately. It's automatic. It's primal. She can't control it even if she wanted to. Women are wired differently than us, brother. They track patterns like their life depends on it. Especially when it comes to who's giving them energy. If you were that guy always reaching out first, always planning the next hangout, always dropping those good morning texts, always there when she needed someone to vent to, your presence created a rhythm in her daily life. You became part of her routine, part of her normal, part of her expectations. Then one day, nothing. Complete radio silence. The pattern breaks. The rhythm stops. The consistency she got comfortable with just evaporates into thin air. And her mind immediately goes into detective mode. She starts asking herself questions she never thought she'd need to ask. Where did he disappear to? What changed overnight? Why isn't he doing what he always does? Did I do something wrong? Did something happen to him? Here's the crazy part. Even if she never wanted you romantically, even if she kept you stuck in that friend zone for months or years, even if she was using you as her emotional support system while dating other guys, your sudden absence still creates a disturbance in her reality. It's not about love at this point. It's about the loss of something familiar. The human brain hates when familiar things vanish without explanation. Think about it like this. You have a coffee shop you go to every single morning. Same time, same order, same barista who knows your name. Then one random Tuesday you just stop going. Never show up again. That barista will notice. They'll wonder. They'll feel something's off. That's exactly what happens in her head when you disappear. She notices the void you left behind. Confusion hits her first. Always. Without exception. Before any other emotion surfaces, confusion takes the lead. And that confusion? That's your first sign that she registered your absence. She felt the shift. The power dynamic just changed, and she knows it deep down, even if she won't admit it out loud yet. Now let's talk about a specific type of woman. The one who never really wanted you but absolutely craved what you brought to the table. You know exactly who I'm talking about. The girl who kept you around like a backup plan. The one who loved your attention but never gave you real access. The validation junkie who fed off your interest like it was oxygen. Here's what most guys don't understand. Some women don't want you in their bed, but they definitely want you in their orbit. They need that consistent stream of compliments flowing. They need someone reliable they can call when they're bored. They need that ego stroke you provide every single time you show up with effort and enthusiasm. You became her personal confidence supplier. Her emotional ATM machine. Her always available cheerleader. Every text you sent first made her feel desired. Every compliment you dropped made her feel beautiful. Every time you made plans around her schedule made her feel important. Every moment you were available when she needed someone to talk to made her feel valued. You were feeding her ego a 5-star meal every single day, and she got addicted to that diet. Then suddenly the restaurant closes. The supply chain gets cut off. The well runs completely dry. And what does she feel? Not heartbreak, brother. Not sadness. Not longing. Pure ego damage. Her pride takes a direct hit. Because now she's looking at her phone and your name isn't lighting up her screen anymore. She's posting those carefully crafted Instagram stories and you're not viewing them within seconds like you used to. She's dropping subtle hints online and you're not taking the bait. She's having a bad day and you're not there asking if she's okay. The entire support system she built on your back just collapsed. And here's where it gets interesting. Her thoughts shift from comfort to panic mode. Why did he stop orbiting me? What changed his mind about me? Did he finally see through my games? Is there another girl getting his attention now? Someone prettier? Someone more interesting? Someone who actually appreciates what I took for granted? It stings her, man. Not because she misses you specifically. She misses what you represented. She misses being wanted without having to give anything real in return. She misses having that power over you. She misses knowing she could get your attention whenever she snapped her fingers. You were her safety net, her ego insurance policy, the guaranteed source of validation she could tap into whenever other guys weren't giving her enough attention. And she never planned on losing that resource. She assumed you'd orbit forever, that you'd always be there waiting, that your interest in her was permanent and unconditional. Now that assumption just shattered. And the woman who never wanted to keep you suddenly hates that she lost the power to keep you wanting her. But this next category hits completely different, King. I'm talking about the woman who actually had genuine feelings for you. Maybe things ended messy. Maybe the relationship faded out slowly. Maybe you're in some complicated gray area right now. Whatever the situation, real emotions existed on her side. And when you finally stop pursuing her, she doesn't just feel ego damage. She experiences something way more intense. Something that keeps her up at night. Fear. Raw, unfiltered fear of permanent loss. The kind that makes her stomach drop when she realizes you might actually be done this time. Not playing games. Not trying to get her attention. Not using reverse psychology. Just genuinely moved on with your life. That thought terrifies her in ways she didn't expect. Her mind starts racing through worst-case scenarios. Did I push him too far this time? Have I finally crossed the line he won't let me cross back over? Is he really finished with me for good? What if he's serious about this? What if there's no coming back from what I did? And here's the part that eats her alive. The image of another woman receiving the version of you she rejected. Think about that for a second. She knows exactly what you were willing to give her. The effort, the consistency, the loyalty, the patience, the love. She experienced all of it firsthand. And she either pushed it away, didn't appreciate it, or destroyed it through her actions. Now her nightmare is watching some other girl benefit from the man you've become. A man who learned from the pain she caused. A man who knows his worth now. A man who won't tolerate disrespect anymore. A man who's done chasing. That version of you going to someone else? It haunts her daily. This is emotional FOMO on a level most people never experience. Imagine someone you genuinely love telling you they're walking away forever and never looking back. That panic that shoots through your chest. That desperation to fix things before it's too late. That's exactly what crashes through her nervous system when your silence becomes undeniable. And even if her pride is too strong to let her reach out directly, trust me when I tell you what's happening behind the scenes. She's checking your social media multiple times a day. Every story you post, she's analyzing it for clues. Is he out with someone? Does he look happy without me? Is he over me already? She's asking mutual friends about you, trying to sound casual but dying for information. She's lying awake replaying conversations, wondering where it all went wrong. Because the reality is setting in. You're not in her life anymore by choice, not by circumstance. You chose to walk away. You decided she wasn't worth the energy anymore. And that realization cuts deeper than anything you ever said during an argument. Your absence speaks louder than your words ever could. Now let's get brutally honest about something most guys don't want to accept. Sometimes she feels absolutely nothing when you stop trying. Zero. Not confusion. Not ego damage. Not fear. Not regret. Nothing at all. She's emotionally checked out, brother. Completely done. Finished. Moved on in her mind long before you stopped chasing in reality. And I know that's hard to hear. I know you want to believe your absence will shake her world. That she'll suddenly realize what she lost. That she'll come running back when she feels the void you left. But sometimes the truth is simpler and colder than that. She just doesn't care anymore. For these women, your decision to finally stop pursuing brings exactly one emotion. Relief. Pure, simple relief. Like a weight lifting off her shoulders. Like pressure she didn't know how to release finally disappearing. Like an awkward situation that's been dragging on way too long finally reaching its natural end. And before you take that personally, understand this. It's not because you're worthless. It's not because you failed as a man. It's not because you weren't good enough. It's simply because her feelings changed. Or maybe they were never there to begin with. Either way, her heart moved on, and your presence became uncomfortable rather than desired. Mature women who genuinely aren't interested don't play games with your emotions. They don't keep you around for validation. They don't string you along for attention. They don't use you as their backup plan or emotional crutch. Healthy, self-aware women recognize when something isn't right, and they'd rather end it cleanly than drag you through unnecessary pain. When you finally stop trying with these women, they feel relief because now they don't have to keep rejecting you. They don't have to keep making excuses for why they can't hang out. They don't have to keep giving half-hearted responses to your messages. They don't have to keep pretending there's potential when they know there isn't. The guilt dissolves. The obligation disappears. The awkward tension evaporates. Everyone can finally move forward without this unspoken thing hanging in the air. She can stop feeling bad about not reciprocating your feelings. You can stop investing energy into something that was never going to work. Clean break. Clear ending. Honest conclusion. And here's what you need to understand, King. Relief is actually the most honest signal a woman can give you. It's not cruel. It's not malicious. It's clarity. It's her telling you without words that there's nothing left to fight for. No hidden feelings waiting to surface. No chance she'll change her mind later. No future where this works out romantically. That clarity, as painful as it feels right now, is actually a gift. Because it frees you from wasting more time, more energy, more emotion on someone who will never see you the way you want to be seen. It redirects you towards someone who will actually choose you back. Here's the truth bomb most men desperately need to hear right now. You could spend the next 6 months analyzing every little reaction she has. Decoding every cryptic social media post. Studying every delayed response. Asking your boys what they think it means. Googling signs she still cares. Watching endless videos trying to crack the female psychology code. But none of that actually matters compared to what you do next. Stop living inside her head, brother. You're not a mind reader. You'll never have perfect certainty about what she's thinking or feeling. And honestly, you don't need it. Her reaction is completely irrelevant compared to your next move as a man. Let me tell you why you're really obsessed with her. It's not actually about her at all. Most men aren't obsessed with the woman herself. They're obsessed with the feeling she provided because everything else in their life feels empty. When you have no mission driving you forward, when you have no passion that makes you jump out of bed, when you have no purpose bigger than yourself, romantic love becomes your entire world. And when love becomes everything, losing it feels like dying. But that's the real problem right there. You're not missing her specifically. You're missing having something meaningful to care about. She was filling a void that you never filled yourself. Your brain is craving a new mission right now. When you lack goals that genuinely excite your soul, when you don't have a vision pulling you into the future, when you're not actively building something that matters, your mind defaults to obsessing over her. It's the path of least resistance. It's easier to replay old conversations than to create your new reality. The solution isn't forcing yourself to stop thinking about her. That never works. The solution is replacement. You need to enter what's called a flow state. That's when you're so locked into something that hours pass like minutes. When you're so engaged that you forget to check your phone. When you're so focused that she doesn't even cross your mind. Find that thing, King. Build a business that challenges you daily. Master a skill that pushes your limits. Transform your body into something you're proud of. Create art that expresses what words can't. Write that book living inside you. Develop a craft that makes you irreplaceable. Whatever it is, make it consuming. There's this powerful concept called sexual transmutation. It's taking all that intense emotional and sexual energy you feel for her and redirecting it into creation and self-improvement. That energy is nuclear-level power, brother. Left alone, it becomes your prison. Chains you to her memory. Keeps you stuck in loops of what could have been. But channeled correctly, it becomes rocket fuel for your entire existence. Write with that fire. Build with that intensity. Train with that passion. Create with that hunger. Pour everything you felt for her into becoming the man you're destined to be. Suddenly your thoughts shift naturally. You're not forcing it. The emotional grip loosens on its own. Mental clarity returns without effort. And one day this realization hits you like lightning. She was never the center of your universe. She was temporarily filling space you hadn't claimed for yourself yet. Now here's the plot twist nobody prepared you for. What happens when she inevitably comes back? Because when you genuinely stop chasing, only two outcomes exist. She disappears completely and forever. Or she quietly circles back to test the waters. And brother, the second scenario happens more often than you think. When she returns, it's rarely dramatic. No grand confession. No tearful apology. Usually something small and calculated. A casual "Hey stranger" text. "This reminded me of you" message. Random reactions to your stories after months of silence. Late night notifications when she sees you thriving without her. She's not just being friendly or nostalgic. She's running reconnaissance. Testing whether you're still available. Checking if you're still interested. Seeing if you've genuinely moved on or if you're just playing hard to get. She wants to know if that door she walked through is still open or if you've locked it permanently. And here's where everything you've built matters. Your response in this moment determines absolutely everything that happens next. If you rush back with the same desperate energy she walked away from originally, she loses interest immediately. Again, you just proved you haven't changed. Still that same guy who would drop everything for her. Still that man who values her more than himself. But if you respond from a place of genuine calm, unshakable groundedness, and unwavering focus on your mission, she feels the transformation instantly. She realizes something shifted fundamentally. You're not the man she left behind anymore. You're someone who actually walked away and meant it. That difference changes everything about how she sees you. You're not the safe option. You're not the backup plan. You became the man who can genuinely choose himself over her. So if she returns, let her. Don't slam doors. Don't be petty. But never return to who you used to be. That version died the day you decided your peace mattered more than her presence. The old you chased her attention like oxygen. The new you chooses based on alignment and respect. The old you needed her validation. The new you knows your value exists regardless. The old you rearranged everything around her schedule. The new you has a mission bigger than any relationship. That evolution is what actually makes a woman respect you again. Not games. Not manipulation. Real change. Authentic growth. Genuine purpose. So remember this, kings. If she's confused, she registered your absence. If she's disappointed, she loved your attention but never loved you. If she feels relief, she's finished and you should be too. But the real question is, what do you feel? Where are you heading next as a man? The greatest revenge isn't making her jealous. It's becoming so absorbed in your purpose that whether she stays or goes becomes irrelevant to your happiness. That's when you've won. Not when she comes back. Not when she regrets it. But when you realize you don't need her back to feel complete. If this resonated, drop a comment telling me which chapter hit hardest. Smash that subscribe button because I'm dropping content weekly to help men worldwide reclaim their power. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video designed to help you protect your peace and pursue your purpose with unshakable confidence. See you in the next one, kings. Now build the life that makes you forget why you were ever worried about losing someone who didn't appreciate you. Your future self is counting on today's decisions. Don't let him down.